I wouldn't say I'm a huge fan, but it does work pretty well for its cost. Some of the basics for using it, like all of the V20 series, you know, it's got a removable battery. So plenty of life when you use it on the vacuum. Other stuff about the vacuum, you push this button here and this comes off the front. This is where everything is captured right in here. And then, you know, you got the filter. All you gotta do is pop it out. It's pretty good at catching a lot of stuff. This filter is a little bit harder to get out, especially after you've used it for a while. Let's see. There we go. So this is going to be catching some of your bigger stuff, and then this is the next kind of inline, the air filter right here, which this one could probably use a change. I pretty much just take it, shake it out like that, and clean it and go from there. So it just clips back together. This pops right in there, and this pops in like that, and you're good to go. This thing is great for cleaning up dust and bigger stuff. So like these are old wood pellets that got wet from the grill, and it'll suck it right up. Does that pretty easily. You can see it all caught up in there. It's also great for cleaning up like sawdust and that type of thing. What it's not good for is cleaning a car, so that's a little disappointing. You can see all this hair and everything right here, and it doesn't do a good job of picking it up. So it doesn't do great with animal hair. I've got a dog, but it also doesn't fit in a lot of the cracks. So I wish I could fit this down further, but this bigger area right here prevents it from really getting in the cracks anywhere. So it's really hard to get suction. And that's kind of the same thing for spaces like this. You know, I can't get it down in the cup holder. I can't get edges or anything very well. So if I were to ask for something different, I would want this piece right here to, you know, be able to extend out by a few inches or something. It does do a good job of picking up some of the loose stuff though. Part of that though is maybe that's just what you get for a $40 vacuum. And I just keep it in here in the garage and clean stuff up. Don't buy this expecting to be able to clean out your car or to get pet hair off of stuff. Use that for a vacuum like this, or a better handheld that can fit in smaller spaces.